I bought this little Ridgid pipe cutter at the auction, and so I decided to tear it down and clean it up. So this is one side that I've got cleaned up. I took the wheels off of it, and here's the other side that I've been scrubbing on, but I've not got it cleaned up to the point of the other side. When I bought this, you couldn't even screw this in, and now it turns so easy. So I got that all cleaned up. So I'll let you know what I get done next. Now I've got it disassembled. I got this aperture here. It slides up and down and adjusts. So I'm going to be cleaning it up. It's really got a lot of corrosion, and down in there I've got to get a little wire brush or something that I can really clean that. That set screw right there where that hole's at, right here, that is what will release this. It allows it to come back, and there's a groove right there in it that fits right down into this. And then once that's in, you replace this screw right there, and then it can't come apart. But while I've got it apart like that, I'm going to really give it a good cleaning. So hang loose. If I had a way of mounting my phone, I would just video this as I work on it, but I can't. I don't have anything to mount my phone with. And my GoPro, all my stuff for my GoPro's in the car, and my wife's at work, so I'll keep you updated. This is a 4-wheel cutter, so these wheels are still in good shape. They just really need to be cleaned up. So I'm gonna work on cleaning these up and see how that turns out. But as far as being chipped or anything like that, I don't have any problem with that. So anyway, and the reason I'm not working on my airplane today, because I'm waiting on my spindles to be turned. And as soon as I get that, then I'm gonna really start working on it. I got it sitting over here on the table. And I went and bought all the pipe and stuff. So anyway, back to the Ridgid pipe cutter. So I'm gonna get these cleaned up, and I'll show you what that looks like. Now I took this apart and started cleaning on it, so I've got it fairly clean. But before I put this back together, I'm gonna paint everything back red, because that's what the original color was. So I'll keep you updated. Okay, so I got it all disassembled. And I'm getting ready to paint it and start putting it back together. So I painted these. Around here we can see it. There's plenty of light. That looks like I missed that there. That's masking tape. I'm hoping this enamel will really stay on here good. Anyway, it's like having a new cutter. I know a lot of people think, well, you spent more time on what you could buy one for, but I had a lot of fun cleaning this up, and I've already used it a couple times, so it'll really work a lot better since it's been cleaned up and refurbed. So I'll be putting it together next as soon as this dries. So I'm removing this tape, masking tape. But my pieces really turned out nice over here. And I thought about painting those letters white, but I don't know if I'm going to do that or not. I'll let you know. That's what I got done on it so far. I wanted to make sure I did not paint where this thing's sliding, because I think I'd just make it harder about getting everything out of it. It's just hard to hold and film at the same time. I need to find me something to mount my phone. Anyway, got my little GoPro camera right there. Battery's dead. And Bob Jean's got all the attachments, so I couldn't use it today. So I'm going to finish this up and then I'll show you the final product. They've been cleaned up quite a bit. So that is what it looks like. Tell me what you think.